every Friday. Join us for some incredible stories from the most pristine places around the world. Our best documentaries and award-winning programs find their way to Planet Wild, a new weekly event, Fridays, on Love Nature. Love Nature. It's not just our name, it's a mission we share with those dedicated to conserving our wildlife.
This place rescues and rehabilitates wildlife back into the wild.
We call it Love Nature Gives Back, our way to raise awareness and provide financial support to organizations featured in our programs.
If we save one animal, we have the potential to save the species.
Learn how to give back to the animals you love at lovenaturegivesback.com. They may live on a pastoral English farm, but these animals still have a wild side. Rivalries, alliances, and daring escape plans. These are their stories. Wild Tales from the Farm on Love Nature. It's a big world out there, and we bring you closer. Wander in the wild with us. Love Nature.
This is conserve the wildlife and wild places in our home.
Deep in the Heart, narrated by Matthew McConaughey on Love Nature.
For most of European history, Ireland was the very edge of the world.
My name is Owen Warner, and I've spent my life travelling the length of Ireland in search of its precious wild places and the elusive animals that make them their home.
And on this journey, I'll be sailing out into the Atlantic to the hidden worlds on Ireland's wild islands.
Australia, home to the biggest and most extraordinary marine life on the planet.
I'm on a mission to find out what makes these waters so special. There's just a harsh and hostile continent.
Deep Dive Australia, hosted by Lizzie Daly on Love Nature. From the coast of Costa Rica, a spectacular scene is about to unfold. Join us for one of the most mysterious events on Earth. Sea turtles gather by the thousands to lay millions of eggs. Discover the latest secrets of this unique world. Turtle Beach on Love Nature. We all know what a woodpecker sounds like, but there's so much more to them than meets the ear. Woodpeckers, the whole story on Love Nature. Marvel at the magic and drama as we uncover the secrets of the enchanted forest on Love Nature.
I'm Jules Bradford, I'm a wildlife filmmaker and I love African wild dogs. Here come the dogs. The pups I met last time are yearlings. They have to step up and protect the family. I'm going to be following the fortunes of two very different packs.
Really cool.
As they face their toughest challenges head on.
Wild Dogs, Pack versus Pride on Love Nature.
You have strength and you're gonna make it. It'll take all that you've got.
This is why we do it, hey? Makes it all worthwhile.
You're gonna make it. It'll take all that you've got.
I'm Jules Bradford. I'm a wildlife filmmaker and I love African wild dogs. Here come the dogs. The pups I met last time are yearlings. They have to step up and protect the family. I'm going to be following the fortunes of two very different packs.
Really cool.
As they face their toughest challenges head on.
Wild Dogs, Pack versus Pride on Love Nature.